Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today's video we are going to see about the Photoshop editing, and it's going to be something different. And don't forget to subscribe the channel. And now we have to change the background color into black. So effect option, then black. Okay, okay. Then we have to add some photos and rectangles. The background photos, and you can download it from Google. And you have to change the theme of occupations and normal to solutions and things like that. And after that you have to add some photos. I don't want more photos. Let's add photos and choose whether it's okay or not. And see, I think there was a problem on one photo. Okay, let's see. Okay. Now let's hide them. No, we don't need them right now. We have to add rectangles, and after that we have to add them. And then create shape. It's your size, and we fill with the white color, and now lock. Then copy. You can also use a CTRL plus ALT. Then you can use your mouse to copy, or otherwise you can click the right click and duplicate it. We need 3. Okay, then align it. Okay, then make it center. Okay, confirm. Then make them into one. Okay. Convert an object and copy this one and paste. And I think we have to lock the background. And also you have to flip this one, rotate, transform, flip horizontal, and add other side. Okay, center. And add some text, whatever you think. And you can also change colors, like things differently using FX options. And then we have to add the middle theme photos. You can download it from Google and just click and erase the background by using the background eraser tool. And we have to add some things, and use dark colors because the background is black, so use dark yellows and things like that. Or grainy options. If you're a beginner, then you can easily understand these things by reducing and increasing those things, like I'm doing. Make sure that this middle image is on the center. And now we have to add the right, left, and right side. So let's unlock the Bob Marley's picture. And I think we have to lock the backgrounds, otherwise it will be moved. Yeah, so let's lock them. And get the Bob Marley's image into left, make small with the rectangles, and bring it forward in the rectangle. Then we have to right click on the photo and create clipping mask. You can easily doing these small things. You create clipping mask and it fits, and you can also reduce the image size, make it more fit. Yeah, this is how it's working. And now, and you can also add the effects of the background by using the effects option, and so you have to select the image first and right click on the picture, then you will get the effects option, and you can do it by and then create clipping marks, and you have makes it where it fits. You can see that the Billie English background was glittered by black. That is the process that we have already done with the sender images. And if you want it bigger, then you have to fit for the screen. Then you can make it bigger by selecting those two images. Don't forget to select those two images because you have done it. And some fishes because thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't miss out of the video.